Find the mean deviation from the mean for the following data by shortcut method. Classes 0 to 100, 100 to 200, 200 to 300, 300 to 400, 400 to 500, 500 to 600, 600 to 700, 700 to 800. Corresponding frequencies are 4, 8, 9, 10, 7, 5, 4, 3. Solution. Let us take the given data. Calculate sum of all frequencies, that is n is equal to summation of fi is equal to 50. Next column is for mid values of each class interval, that is xi, 50, 150, 250, 350, 450, 550, 650, 750. Let us assume mean as 350. Next column is for di is equal to xi minus a divided by h. Here assumed mean is 350. H is the class size or class width, that is 100. Therefore, (50) minus 350 divided by 100, that is minus 3. 150 minus 350 divided by 100, that is minus 2. Similarly, we will get minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next column is for fi di. 4 into minus 3, minus 12, 8 into minus 2, minus 16, 9 into minus 1, minus 9, 10 into 0, 0, 7 into 1, 7, 5 into 2, 10, 4 into 3, 12, 3 into 4, 12. Sum of these values, that is sigma fi di. Yes, all positive numbers collect one side and negative numbers collect one side. Get the sum, that is 4. Therefore, x bar is equal to assumed mean plus sigma fi di divided by n into h is equal to 350 plus 4 into 100 divided by 50 is equal to 358. Next column is for absolute values of xi minus x bar. absolute value of 50 minus 358, that is 308. Similarly, we will get 208, 108, 8, 92, 192, 292, 392. Next column is for Fi into absolute values of xi minus ex bar, that is 4 into 308, 1232, 8 into 208, that is 1664, 9 into 108, that is 972, 10 into 8, 80, 7 into 92, 644, 5 into 192, that is 960, 4 into 292, that is 1168, 3 into 392, that is 1176. Try to calculate sum of these values. Yes, that is Fi into summation of Fi into absolute values of xi minus x bar is equal to 7896. Therefore, mean deviation from mean is equal to summation of Fi into absolute values of xi minus x bar divided by n is equal to 7896 divided by 50 is equal to 157.92. Find the mean deviation about the median for the following data. Marks 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Number of girls corresponding to the marks 6, 8, 14, 16, 4, 2. Solution. Let us take the given data. Calculate sum of frequencies, that is n is equal to summation of Fi is equal to 50. Next column is for cumulative frequency. 6 plus 8 14, 14 plus 14, 28, 28 plus 16, 44, 44 plus 4, 48, 48 plus 2, 50. Here n is 50. Half of that is 25. So that we can find in the cumulative frequency 28. Therefore, median class is 20 to 30. Here L is equal to 20, F is equal to 14, cumulative frequency of the preceding class, that is 14, and n is equal to 50. Therefore, median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus C divided by F into H is equal to 20 plus 25 minus 14 divided by 14 into 10 is equal to 20 plus 55 by 7 is equal to 20 plus 7.857. Approximately we can consider 27.86. Next we can calculate mid values of each class intervals. 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. Next column is for absolute values of xi minus m. That is absolute value of 5 minus 27.86. That is 22.86. Similarly, 12.86, 2.86, 7.14, 17.14, 27.14. Next column is for Fi into absolute values of xi minus m. Six into 22.86. Try to get the product. 137.16. 8 into 12.86, that is 102.88. 14 into 2.86, that is 40.04. 16 into 7.14, that is 114.24. 4 into 17.14 is equal to 68.56. 2 into 27.14, that is 54.28. Try to calculate sum of these values denoted by summation of fi into absolute values of xi minus m. That is 517.16. Therefore, mean deviation about median is equal to 1 by n into summation of fi into absolute values of xi minus m or median is equal to 417.16 divided by 50. Yes, what is the simplification? That is 10.34. Example. In the expansion of 1 plus a whole raised to the power m plus n, prove that coefficients of a raised to the power m and a raised to the power n are equal. Solution. General term tr plus 1 is equal to m plus n cr into 1 raised to the power m plus n minus r into a raised to the power r is equal to m plus n cr 1 raised to the power m plus n minus r is nothing but as a 1 into a raised to the power r. From this we can find coefficient of a raised to the power r, a raised to the power r, that is m plus n cr. Coefficient of a raised to the power r is equal to m plus n cr. From this we will get coefficient of a raised to the power m is equal to m plus n c m. This is equal to m plus n factorial divided by m plus n minus m factorial into m factorial is equal to m plus n factorial divided by n factorial into m factorial. Say number 1. And coefficient of a raised to the power n is equal to m plus n c n is equal to m plus n factorial divided by m plus n minus n factorial into n factorial. This is equal to m plus n factorial divided by m factorial into n factorial. Say number 2. From 1 and 2, coefficient of a raised to the power m is equal to coefficient of a raised to the power n.